completed. We are going to start the complete 10th problem. Right. Now let's start the 10th problem. Now 10th, sir. Yes. 10th problem, write down everyone. So 10th problem is 1 by 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 8 plus 1 by 8 into 11 plus dotted plus 1 by 3n minus 1 into 3n plus 2 into 3n plus 2 is equal to n by 6n plus 4. N by 6n plus 4. Right. Everyone start the problem. Everyone start. First, you can start the problem. Step 1, write down. Everyone write down the step 1. And step 2, write also step 1. Principle of n numbers. What are the n numbers? First number is the 2 into 5. Second number is the principle of n numbers. So first number is such that first number is the 1 by 2 into 5. Second number is the 1 by 5 into 8. 1 by 8 into 11. Dotted. Nth number is 1 by 3n minus 1 into 3n plus 2 is equal to right side is n by 6n plus 4. Already this problem is proved by that graphs are not there. Sir, yes, graphs are not there in test. Graphs are not there in test. What I am not going to teach, that is not in the test. Right, everyone see. So already it is proved by the mathematics. This is the geometry. This is the series. But this problem we are going to check it is the correct. Left side and right side answers are correct or not by the mathematical induction. By the mathematical induction. Right, everyone take. If for n is equal to first number, for n is equal to 1, LH side is P principle of one number. What is the number? 1 is 1 by 2 into 5. Its value is 1 by 10. We get the same answer on the right hand side. See, LHS value, RHS values is correct or not correct? That's enough. We are going to check. So n value is the 1. 6 into 1 plus 4. 6 times of 1 is the 6. 1 by 6 plus 4. Right hand side is the 1 by 10. LHS value is equal to RHS value. Principle of one number is true. Principle of one number is true. Yes. Yes, Richard. Right. Everyone go through the step 2. Assume that principle of k number c is true. Assume that principle of k number c is true. Assume that principle of k number c is true. Write down the statement of P of k. P of k such that k number statement is first number is the 1 by 2 into 5. Second number is the 5 into 8. Third number is the 1 by 8 into 11. And dotted. Kth number is not nth number. Kth number is 1 by 3k minus 1 into 3k plus 2 is equal to k by 6k plus 4. You should be remember, this is the kth term. You should be remember, I am putting in the box, this is the keep in our mind is the kth term. This is the kth term. So that is the k plus 1th term we write now. At the term before he is writing the kth term, simply we can write down this one. Before he should be write down this one. This is the k numbers statement. Answer is k numbers statement. in the kth term, this one remember. So I'm going to write k plus 1. It's before number, right? We simply can write down this one. Easy for representation. So this is the k numbers answer is k by 6k plus 4. Okay, na? And now I go through the for step 3. Everyone see step 3. For k places, write down k plus 1 numbers. P of k plus 1 numbers. Statement of principle of P of k plus number. Here is everyone observe. So 1 by 2 into 5. 1 by 2 into 5. 5 by 8. 1 by 8 into 11. K place write down. 3 into k place is the k plus 1 minus 1. Another one is 3 into k plus 1 plus 2. Right side also write down. So this is equal to k place is the k plus 1 by 6 times of k is the k plus 1 plus 4. Right. Everyone simplify. Everyone simplify. So now everyone see, this is the k numbers, the principle of k numbers. K plus 1 numbers is equal to, first number is the 1 by 2 into 5. Second number is the 1 by 5 into 8. Third number is the 1 by 8 into 11. Plus dotted. Plus simplification is 1 by 3k plus 3 minus 1. 3k plus 2. 3k plus 2. This is 3k plus 5 is equal to k plus 1 upon 6k plus 10. 6k plus 10. This is k plus 1 number. K plus 1th number. This is the k plus 1th number. Already kth number we have na. Write down before kth number. This write down is before is the kth number. This is the k plus 1 numbers. You should be remember. This is the k plus 1 number. This is the k plus 1th number. It's before write down k. This can be copied. This should be copied before. Okay na? Right. Principle of k plus 1 numbers is equal to first number 1 by 2.5. 1 by 5.8. 1 by 8 into 11. Copy the same kth number. Copy before. 1 by, this is the k plus 1th number. Copy that one. 1 by 3k minus 1 into 3k plus 2. Now write down k plus 1 number is the 1 by 3k plus 2. 3k plus 5. Answer right side is k plus 1 by 6k plus 10. We have to show that. This is the kth number now. Up to this, I will take left hand side. Everyone see left hand side. I am through the right hand side. Answer is the k plus 1 by 6k plus 10. Right, take the left hand side. Everyone. 1 by 2 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 8 plus 1 by 8 into 11, and the kth number is 1 by 3k minus 1 into 3k plus 2. This is the kth number. This is the k plus 1 number is the 1 by 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5. Right. This is the total is the P of k. Up to k, P of k statement. Now write down the P of k statement value is the k by 6k plus 4. This is the P of k plus k plus 1th term up to k numbers. K plus 1th number is the 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5 into 3k plus 5 into 3k plus 5. Pk plus 1 value. Pk terms value write down here. Already we have value. What is the value? Is k by 6k plus 4 up to k terms value plus k plus 1 value right down. What is that? 1 by 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5. Right. Now take LCM and simplify. We get the same right hand side answer. Same right handed side answer. You should be C. Same right handed side answer. Everyone observe. Now here is the 2 is common. K by 2 is common. So 3k plus 2 plus 1 by 3k plus 2 into 3k plus 5. Now take common. What is the 1 by 3k plus 2? Take common and simplify. 1 by 3k plus 1 common and simplify. I will write upside C. 1 by 3k plus 2 is common. Remaining is k by 2 is remaining. Here is 1 by 3k plus 5 is remaining. Take LCM and simplify. We get the same right hand side answer. You should be keep in our mind. Right hand side answer. Take LCM is cross multiplication. 1 by 3k plus 2. 3k square plus 5k plus 2 upon LCM is the 2 into 3k plus 5. 3k plus 5. Right. Everyone write down the factors. Your right side answer you can remember. Right side answer is the k plus 1 by 6k plus 10. This is required. Right side answer is required. Now simplify everyone. 1 by 3k plus 2. Here is factor C. Factor is the 3 into 2 is the 6. 3k plus 2k. 3k square. 5k place is the 3k plus 2k plus 2 upon 6k plus 10. Upon 6k plus 10. 6k plus 10 to distribute. 6k plus 10. Right, write down the factors. Everyone write down the factors. We get the same right hand side answer you can observe. So 1 by 3k plus 2. Factors write down. 3k is common. K plus 1. 2 is common. K plus 1 upon 6k plus 10. Again take k plus 1 is common. Again take k plus 1 is common. So 1 by 3k plus 2. K plus 1 is common. What is the remaining is the 3k plus 2 upon 6k plus 10. 3k plus 2, 3k plus 2 is cancelled. We get the same right hand side answer. K plus 1 by 6k plus 1. Same right hand side answer we are getting. That is equal to k plus 1 by 6k plus 10. That is the RHS. Write down everyone. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Write down the condition. By the principle of mathematical induction, the given problem is true for small n belongs to capital N. Everyone write down. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Hence proved by the principle of mathematical induction. By the principle of mathematical induction, the given problem is true for small n. Small n belongs to capital N. Small n belongs to capital N. Right, go through the 11th problem first. You can move towards 11th problem. Very good, RHS. Very good, Amresh. Move towards 11th problem, everyone. Completed candidate, move towards 11th problem. Right, everyone go moves towards 11th problem. One by first number 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 by 2 into 3 into 4 plus 1 by 3 into 4 into 5. Dotted 1 by n into n plus 1 into n plus 2. Already proved by geometric progression series sequence is answer is n into n plus 3 upon 4 into n plus 1 n plus 2. We have to take left hand side, right hand side, answers are coming correct or not. We can check first. Everyone do the problem first. Everyone do. Step 1. Write down principle of n numbers. Principle of n numbers. Start everyone. Principle of n numbers. Step 1 you can check. For n is equal to 1. Left hand side is principle of one number. What is the one number is? 1 into 2 into 3. That is equal to 1 by 6. Right hand side n place is write down 1. 1 plus 3 upon 4. 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 2. 1 plus 3, 4 cancel. 1 by 6. LHS is equal to RHS. Very good. P of 1 is true. Right. LHS is equal to RHS. P of 1 is true. Go through this step 2, everyone. Go through this step 2. First move towards step 2. Step 2. Assume that principle of k numbers is true. Write down the k numbers. So principle of k numbers. First number is a 1 by 1 into 2 into 3. Second number is a 1 by 2 into 3 into 4. Third number is a 1 by 3 into 4 into 5. And dotted kth number is 1 by k into k plus 1 into k plus 2. Immediately round up. This is the k number, kth number. First number, second number, third number, kth number. It should be before kth term is required. Here is write down right side. K into k plus 3 upon 4 into k plus 1 into k plus 2. Right, everyone. P of k plus 1 statement write down. Step 3. Everyone write down step 3. For k places, take k plus 1. Take k plus 1 numbers. P of k plus 1 numbers. First number is a 1 into 2 into 3. Second number is a 2 into 3 into 4. Third number is a 3 into 4 into 5. Dotted k 1 by k place write down. K plus 1. K place write down. K plus 1 is a k plus 2. K place write down. K plus 1 plus 2 is a k plus 3. Here also write down. K place is the k plus 1. K plus 1 plus 3 is the k plus 4. Upon 4. K plus 1 plus 1 is the k plus 2. K plus 1 plus 2 is the k plus 3. Okay, na? This before number write down. It's before, this is the k plus 1th number. K plus 1th number. It's before is the kth number, write down. So just copy this one here. Just copy this one here. Here I am writing, see, everyone. Just before number, copy this one, before, copy this one. So P of k plus 1, P of k plus 1, numbers is equal to first number 1 into 2 into 3, second number 2 into 3 into 4, third number 3 into 4 into 5, dotted, 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 dotted. Before number is the 1 by, kth number is the 1 by k into k plus 1 into k plus 2, k plus 2, k plus 1th number, write down 1 by k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3, k plus 3. We have to show that answer is k plus 1, k plus 4, k plus 1, k plus 4 upon 4 into k plus 2, k plus 3, k plus 2, k plus 3. This is the right hand side. We have to show that. Everyone take up to LHS, take up to k terms, you can take LHS. So that is the LHS is first number 1 into 2 into 3, second number 2 into 3 into 4, third number 3 into 4 into 5, and a kth number, this is like 1 by k into k plus 1 into k plus 2, this is the kth number, this is the k plus 1th number, k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. We have to show that right-handed side answer. This answer we are going to show. Right, everyone see. Up to this is k terms, P of k terms statement plus 1 by k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3, k plus 3, right, everyone. P of k value. P of k value is, already it is on the board. P of k value is on the board. K by k into k plus 3 upon 4 times of k plus 1, k plus 2, up k plus 2. This is up to k plus kth term, up to P of k value. I will write P of k value and k plus 1th term add. 1 by k plus 1, k plus 2, k plus 3. Right, simplify, we get the answer. Right hand side answer, everyone simplify. We get the right hand side answer or not, we can simplify. Fast mode, simplify. Here is, what is the common? You can take 1 by k plus 1 common, k plus 2 common. Remaining is k into k plus 3 upon 4, 1 by k plus 3. Take LCM and simplify. We get the same answer or not, we can check. Take LCM and simplify. With the same required answer, we can check. So internet is unstable, up and down is there. All right, simplify everyone. 1 by k plus 1 into k plus 2. Here is k into, this is the multiplication, k plus 3 whole square, 2 times plus 4 upon 4 into k plus 3. Right, carefully simplify. Carefully simplify everyone. Carefully simplify. So internet is unstable, is coming up. That is some stucking is happening. Internet is not correct. Right, 1 by k plus 1 into k plus 2. Right, k into k square, a plus b whole square formula, 6k plus 9 plus 4 upon 4 into k plus 3, 4 into k plus 3. Take multiply with the k and write down the factors. Multiply with the k and write down the factors I am writing here. So 1 by k plus 1 into k plus 2, k plus 1 into k plus 2, right, multiply k cube plus 6k square plus 9k, k cube plus 6k square plus 9k plus 4 upon 4 into k plus 3. I will write, everyone observe. Here 1k square we take, 5k square separate. 6k square, here is the k cube is a 1k cube. That's why 1k square take 5k square separate. So 1 by k plus 1 into k plus 2. Everyone observe, k cube, 1k cube, that's why 1k square and 5k square write down. Here is the 5k square is there, 9k can write down 5k plus 4. 5k plus 4k plus 4 upon 4 into k plus 3. Upon 4 into k plus 3. Video, internet is not that is not stable, is coming up. Some small error is there. Everyone be careful. I will send video also. At that time we can see one time. Okay, so internet not stable is coming. Not stable is coming always. Okay, so up and down is coming. Now take k square is common. K plus 1 into k plus 2. K square is common. Here is the k square place is the 1. 5k is common. K plus 1. Last 4 is common. K plus 1 upon 4 into k plus 3. Right, take the k plus 1 is common. K plus 1 is common. Take k plus 1 is common, everyone. Take k plus 1 is common and simplify. Take k plus 1 is common and simplify. Any charting is came. K plus 1 is take common. Right. K plus 1 take common and simplify. 1 by k plus 1 into k plus 2. K plus 1 is common. K plus 1 is common. So it is coming clear. Okay. K plus 1 is common. All right. K square plus 5k plus 4 upon 4 into k plus 3. Upon 4 into k plus 3. K plus 1 is cancelled. K plus 1 is cancelled. Write down the factor for this one. Factors write down. So factor C, 1, here is k square, 5k write down 4k plus k plus 4 upon k 4 times of k plus 2 into k plus 3. Write down the factors, we get the answer, everyone. Here k is common, k plus 4. Here is 1 is common, k plus 4 upon 4 times of k plus 2 into k plus 3. Numerator k plus 4 take common. Very good, teacher. K plus 4 is take common. K plus 4 is common. K plus 4 is common. Take K plus 4 is common, everyone. K plus 4 is common. So K plus 4 is common. What is the remaining is the K plus 1 upon 4 into K plus 2, K plus 3. Same RHS. Same RHS. Already I round the RHS. See. Same RHS we get. Right. Same RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Write down the everyone by the principle of mathematical induction. Very good, very good, very good. LHS, RHS, very good. Amresh, very good. Right, everyone go through the 12th problem. Completed candidates go through the 12th problem fast. 16, 17 is the same models. We can do the homework. Note down everyone. 16, 17 is the same models. We can do homework. Okay, now you should be practice. So easy for doing the problem. You should be practice. So 16, 17, everyone complete the homework. I will explain 13 and 14 tomorrow. Okay, now 12th problem, everyone go. Note down 16, 17 is the homework. 16, 17 is the homework. Once again, I am telling the syllabus for Saturday examination, sets, relations, functions, and mathematical induction. Tomorrow, what should be completed? Tomorrow, what problems should be completed? Thursday, up to Thursday syllabus. Okay, na? What problems will be completed up to that problems? Everyone practice. So, in functions, what we are not going to explain the graphs, that graphs is not included. Okay, now clear everyone? I will explain after mathematical induction. I will explain the graphs. So better to explain because of online means it is not clear. That's why I'm going to wait for that one. Okay, now? Right, everyone write down the 12th problem first. First, we can go through the 12th problem first, everyone. Homework problems is understand my homework problem. So what are the homework problems is the 16, 17 is the homework problem same model. 16, 17 homework problems everyone. Right. So go through the 12th problem first. 12th problem. AR square dotted AR power of n minus 1 is equal to A times of R power of n minus 1 by R minus 1. Already GP series. Okay, na? So already GP series. Try step 1 complete. Tomorrow I will start 12th problem. Step 2, step 3 I will complete. First everyone complete this step 1. Principle of n numbers. Step 1 write down principle of n numbers. For n is equal to 1. For n is equal to 1. Everyone do the. For n is equal to 1. So left hand side is principle of one number. What is the one number is? So A. Right hand side is n place is the 1. A. N place is the 1 means R power of 1 is